care to children under 6 and lactating mothers. These centers have helped improve the overall health and well-being of the children and empowering our women. Now, look at the women empowerment initiatives. Ensuring empowerment of our women has been one of the focus areas of ours in Ladakh. Our women are excelling in preserving Ladakh's culture and heritage, and they have demonstrated self-help groups who work on handloom and handicraft. We support them with training, finance, technical assistance and market access. In tourism, education, healthcare, also our women are playing vital role and participating in Ladakh's development. Empowerment through skill development initiatives. We aim to promote traditional handloom, handicrafts and also modern skills like solar technician training, electrician, plumbers, digital skills to support sustainable development and open up avenues for self-employment for the people. Now here you see the Ladakh's Entrepreneurship Development Initiative. It is to create employment opportunity for local startups and preserve the region's culture and tradition. Now, ladies and gentlemen, see the GI tagged finest Pashmina wool, and it is the best in the world. Ladakhi Pashmina is precious wool crafted into finished products by skilled artisans using traditional looms. It is benefiting the Pashmina boat keepers, artisans, young entrepreneurs, and the overall economy of our state, Ladakh. World famous Ladakhi wood carving. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a traditional craft passed down from generation to generation. These features have intricate designs reflecting the region's unique traditions and culture. Its geographical indication tagging protects authenticity and traditional knowledge. My government supports their training and collaborates to create sustainable employment opportunities for our artisans. Ladies and gentlemen, Ladakh has the world's sweetest apricot. Ladakh's apricots are an integral part of the region's horticulture heritage. It has many varieties. Rakse, Karpo and Halman varieties of Ladakh apricot have gained recognition for its exceptional taste. I am happy to share that we have started exporting these apricots to places like Dubai, Vietnam and Singapore. Gaining the GI tagging has improved visibility and marketability of Ladakh's apricot products. See buckthorn or lay berry, the powerful super berry. It is, ladies and gentlemen, it is a rare berry which grows in the wild in Ladakh. It has high nutritional and medical values with rich vitamin C content. Our young local entrepreneurs have set up processing units for products made of this remarkable berry such as juice, jams, oil and above all, a wide range of cosmetics. Ice hockey. Our ice hockey team is the matter of a great pride for us. They have been performing remarkably well in national and international tournaments. This sport has given Ladakh a chance to prove its unique identity in the world, as you will see in the next one here. Our winter sports. In addition to ice hockey, Ladakh has a huge potential for other winter sport activities like ice climbing, ice skating, skiing and the frozen lake marathon which takes place at the scenic Pagong Lake. This marathon race has been included in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the first of its kind at such an altitude. Please see this polo on the top of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, polo in Ladakh has a distinct style with players wearing traditional attire and riding horses that are unique to the region. Polo tournaments are organized throughout the region of Ladakh. I would like to make a special mention of our polo ground in Dras. It is at an altitude of about 10,000 feet above the mean sea level. India is leading the way in carbon neutral initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to say that the carbon neutral Ladakh vision is a flagship